Hello everyone! Today I wanted to share with you my 3D autumn nature art. I was inspired by the autumn and the beautiful colors of the leaves, and I thought why not bring some home with me and make little art. So for this project I collected some of my favorite leaves, and here is Japanese maple leaf, there's some elm tree leaf, some hazelnut leaf, and some more maple leaves in the corners. I've also used a 20 centimeter square canvas and a mini easel to put canvas on. And then I gently arranged leaves on the canvas, and I used hot glue to stick them. And there it is, little bit of colorful autumn art at home. I hope you liked my idea, and you can also try it at home. You could also hang the canvas on the wall or use a bigger size. Enjoy!